Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to show you are listening to Spotify on Discord. So you are using your Spotify application and then you use your Discord and you want to display that you are using your Spotify application on your Discord account. What you have to do is first of all open up your Discord, and after opening your Discord you have to tap on your profile icon and then tap on the settings icon which is on the top right. And after tapping on your settings icon, tap on connections, and after tapping on connections, now tap on add which is on the top right, and then you can add your Spotify. And after tapping on add Spotify, here you can see your Spotify is successfully connected with your Discord. After connecting your Spotify to your Discord account, now what you have to do is open up your Discord application, and after opening your Discord application, tap on your profile icon and then tap on your settings. And after tapping on your settings, tap on connections, and after tapping on connections you can see your Spotify. And now if you want to show that you are listening to your Spotify, and after turning on that option it will display that you are listening to Spotify on Discord. So this is how you can show that you are listening to Spotify on Discord. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.